Filipino Women's Alliance Gabriela strongly condemns the current spate of bombings and airstrikes being committed by Israel on Gaza, which has killed and injured hundreds of thousands of civilians, including mothers, girls, and children. Israel and its supporter, funder, and arms dealer state, United States of America, is committing a horrible war crime, horrible genocide, and this in violation of the international humanitarian laws and other international laws under the Geneva Conventions in its bid to practically decimate the whole of Gaza and annihilate a whole civilian population of Palestinian people who are only defending their motherland and who are only defending their freedoms as sovereign people. Together with the rest of the world, Gabriela demands the immediate stop to the crimes of Israel and to the war it is doing on Israel. We demand for Israel and the US to be held accountable to the crimes they are committing against the Palestinian people. And we also demand and also support the Palestinian people's call for freedom and for their own sovereign state.